Once upon a time in the world of COD Mobile, there was a legend, a name spoken with awe and respect, Cindigo, the one who danced through gunfire like it was a gentle breeze, whose aim never missed, whose presence alone could turn the tide of battle. Some say he could hear footsteps before they even touched the ground. Others claim his reflexes defied time itself. He wasn't just a player. He was the storm, the calm, and the victory. No montage could capture his skill. No stat sheet could define his legacy. He was the one everyone wanted on their team, and the one no one wanted to face. Clips of his gameplay still float around like relics of a golden age, and new players whisper his name, wondering if he was even real. But those who were there, they know. Cindigo wasn't just the best, he was something more. But then, just like that, he was gone. No goodbye, no final stream, no last match. And when the world needed him most, he vanished. Days turned to weeks, weeks to months. The lobbies grew quieter. The spark that once lit the battlefield seemed dimmer. No clutch plays, no one miracle, no Cindigo. Yet, rumors began to spread. A lone player spotted in ranked, moving with unnatural precision. No mic, no emotes, just silent domination. Some say they saw his movement. Others swore they recognized his signature skin, John McClane. Old rivals logged in again, hoping for a glimpse. Some streamed entire sessions, praying to cross paths with the ghost of the legend. But nothing was confirmed. Only shadows, only stories. And so the myth grew. Kids now speak of Cindigo like a warrior king, destined to return. A chosen one in exile, waiting for the right moment, waiting for the storm only he can calm. Because deep down, everyone knows, legends don't die. One night the sky cracked, a new season dropped, new weapons, new chaos, and with it, something else. Kill cams caught glimpses of a ghost moving faster than the frame rate, a figure cloaked in legacy, with the aim of a machine and the instincts of a god. In the darkest corners of the map, players began to fall, quick, clean, silent. No kill tag, no gamer ID, just one word in the feed, Cindigo. Most thought it was a glitch, others said it was a faker. But those who knew, their hands trembled, streams lit up. "He's back," some shouted. "No way," others cried. But before anyone could confirm, he was gone again. A shadow in the kill feed, a myth reborn for just a moment. No one knows why he returned, no one knows where he went. But one thing is certain, Cindigo isn't done. Not yet. As his legend stirred, the community shifted. A new generation rose. They never faced him, but they knew his name like a ghost story passed down in whispers. Some tried to mimic his style. Others studied his clips like sacred texts. A few dared to call themselves the next Cindigo. But the veterans knew better. There is no next. There is only one. Meanwhile, strange things continued. Accounts deranked with surgical losses. Leaderboards shifted at midnight. Entire teams wiped out in seconds, leaving behind only silence. And sometimes, a glowing blue. See, the Watchers took notice. Those who once ruled beside Cindigo, and those who once fell before him. Old names returned to the lobby, not to fight but to prepare. Because if Cindigo was back, then something bigger was coming. Then came the reckoning. A tournament like no other. No sponsors, no stream. Just an invite-only match whispered across Discord servers. The best were summoned, and all wondered, would he be there? As the countdown hit 0, the lobby filled. Familiar names, unknown prodigies. And then in the final slot, it happened. No clan tag, no avatar, just Cindigo. The room froze. Some panicked, some laughed. But when the match began and the first shots rang out, they knew this was no imposter. He didn't speak. He didn't type. He moved like poetry. Every shot deliberate. Every flank a masterclass. The match didn't last long. It never does when you're playing against a ghost who's already seen the end. And when it was over, he left. No emote, no message, just silence. No one has seen Cindigo since that match. His profile is untouched. No new uploads, no streams, nothing but silence. And yet, the community feels different, focused, inspired, as if his return reminded them of what greatness looks like. He didn't come back for fame. He came back to remind them, skill isn't dead, honor isn't dead. Now every match begins with a question. What if he's in this lobby, watching, training, waiting? Because the truth is, Cindigo never truly left. He became something more, a symbol, a shadow, a spark. And maybe one day, when the chaos returns and hope seems lost, Cindigo will rise again. After all, legends never die.